What is up, y'all? It is New Money Making Mondays. Every penny counts. And the site I got for y'all today is called Zoombucks. The link to it will be in the description. Be sure to sign up for it today. So it's another site that you can add to your routine of making money with it. I'm gonna give you a brief tutorial on how you can make money with it. Now, this is something I just signed up for. So you see here at the top, I have 57 points. That's equivalent to 5 cents. On this site, every 1,000 points equals $1. So just keep that in mind when you're doing them. Right here, there's the home page. Like, as soon as you sign up for it and you log in, all that kind of stuff, this is what you'll see. Now, these first 3 details right here, these surveys, these are the ones you're going to make the most money with. Tap research, theorem reach, and your surveys. Now, this is why I say that. First, you want to do your surveys. Why? Because they're paying $1 for each one of them. Usually with your surveys, on different sites, you're going to see anywhere between like 60 to 80 cents. That seems to be the average, but this one is paying $1. All right, so that's really high. Try as many of those as you can. Now, of course, you're not going to qualify for all of them. So what I recommend doing, if you ever get frustrated, you want to take a break from doing those, jump over here to Tap Research or Theorem Reach survey wall, because you will get disqualification points for every one that you attempt and you don't qualify for. So at least you're going to be making something. And then when you do a few of those and you're making money with that, jump back over here to your surveys. All right, so it's just that simple. These top 3 are the ones you're really going to make the most money with, because I've had the same routine in so many different sites. Like, a lot of these sites are basically just the same, platform, the same way they make money. It's just taking one routine from a site to another site. It's just that simple. So like I said, that's where you're going to make most of your money, but they do have other surveys providers that you can actually use. You kind of just scroll down and see what you want to do there. Go over here in the offers, because I see they had some really good offers when I was checking it out earlier. Go here to do offers, and you'll see some of the things they're offering. The first one, Net First Platinum, must sign up to get credited. You'll get 720 points, which is equivalent to 72 cents. So, not a lot, but it adds up. I'm telling you, things like that really do add up very fast. And you just scroll down and see what more they have. Now, right here, this offer right here is paying $25.73, but it's paying that because you have to use your credit card. Now, it's up to you if you want to use your credit card. If you don't, I completely understand, because nobody really wants to put their personal information online unless they really have to. But just know that the credit card offers do pay a lot. So, just keep that in mind. But of course, there's still free ones. You just kind of have to scroll down and just find out, something that you want to do, something that's free, things like that. Now, I'm going to keep on scrolling down. I'm sure they got free ones on there. You just have to find out which one. Now, I will tell you this right here. About the trial offers. Now, this one says get your free credit score from all 3 bureaus. Rewards after you sign up for a 7-day trial server. Okay, now it costs $1. And the thing about it is, $1 is not a big deal, because you look here, they're paying you $2.43 for doing the offer. So what I recommend doing on things like that, especially the trial offers, is make sure when you sign up for them, cancel your subscription before the 7 days is over. That way you won't get charged anything. All right, so it's basically you're paying $1 to get $2.43. That's the trade they're giving you. So you're going to make money doing that. But like I said, if you're ever doing a trial offer and it's something that you don't want, be sure to cancel it before that 7 days is up. All right. So that way you don't have to worry about anything as far as, getting, charged anything more. Same thing with this one. Rewards after you sign up for a free trial. So basically all you're doing is signing up. It's free. The trial is, usually anywhere between 7, 14, 30 days, something like that. So, but make sure whatever the trial offer, the trial period ends, you cancel it before. So that's a quick $2.08 doing that one. All right. So, you see here how you're being able to actually just make money just doing these offers. You see here, must sign up and confirm email to get credit. This one is free. $1.60, 1,600 points. So it's a lot of things on here that you can do. You just have to kind of search for it. All of it won't be at the top, but it's a lot of different offers. You just continue to scroll down and just find out, what works for you. Like I said, a lot of them with the credit cards do pay highest, but if you keep on scrolling down, you'll see things like this one. Rewards after you register with full valid details. You get 41 cents for that. It's just a My App free. Just simple stuff like that, y'all. It's a lot of money in this site if you just let it continue to pile up. 40 cents here, 70 cents here, $1. Not $1 it's crazy, but $1 there. It adds up fast to the point you're able to cash out very quickly with this site. Now I'm gonna go back up. You can also make money watching videos. You go over here to watch videos. There's money in that too. Hideout TV rewards after 3 videos. It's always the same. This one right here, just basically clicking on this, watch a video, you get 20 points. I mean, as long as they have them available, you see here, check every day, complete multiple times. So they don't always have videos available, but when they do, just watch the video. It's probably like 30 seconds long, easy 20 points. You know what I'm saying? So that's your video section on here. It's not a big video section, but it's Hideout TV. One thing I always tell you guys, when you're doing surveys, have this running in the background so you're able to make money while you're taking surveys. So you're able to, you know, really double up your money doing that. All right, so I'm gonna go to the reward store and show you some of the things you can get when you cash out with this site. A lot of different gift cards you can choose from. You can kind of put it in categories if you want to, but just kind of scrolling down, these have a lot of restaurants. They have a lot of you know, just regular stores. They have airlines, things like that. I know they have Amazon, they have PayPal on here. Let me show you those real quick because I know that's something that most people want. Oh, there it is, right? I think I just passed it. They have Visa gift card, you know, virtual Visa gift card is something you want to get. But let me go to the PayPal real quick. Because you see here on the side, people are actually cashing out with PayPal. You do the $3 PayPal. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people are doing that. The minimum for PayPal is actually $3. I'm trying to show you on the reward store real quick, if I can actually find it, because I know it's on here. They have it set up so weird, but the minimum to cash out with this site is definitely $3. I just cannot find the PayPal for whatever reason, because they have so many different gift cards to choose from. So, but I know it's on here. Just trust me, because you can see on the side that people actually using PayPal. It's $3 minimum with PayPal. That's what I know for sure. So I just want, maybe if I click on PayPal, well, no, I can't do that. Let me pause the video and I'll come right back when I show you, when I find the PayPal section. All right, so I found it. It's right here, minimum $3 PayPal. You have to scroll like all the way down to find it. They don't have an alphabetical order, so it kind of makes it a little difficult. But you see here, $3 minimum. They have $5 cash out, 10, 20, and 50. You know what I'm saying? And it's the same thing with Amazon. You have to kind of just, you know, find it because they have so many different gift cards, not in alphabetical order, so stuff is everywhere in this site. But the minimum for Amazon is also $3. So I just wanted to show you that, how you can cash out with this site. Very simple to do. I mean, the surveys, I mean, they're high paying surveys. They have a lot of different offers that you can do every single day. They're showing you more and more offers and surveys. So it's just up to you to, you know, however much time you have to kind of invest it into this site so you can make more money. You can cash out regularly and things like that. You know what I'm saying? So a very cool site to use. It's, you know, very similar to other sites that I've made videos on. So it's up to you, like I said, to put in the work. You can start by clicking on the link in the description and signing up today. That way you can already, you already know the tutorial. You already seen what I do, what I'm going to be doing. You already know the routines. You can just get started on it right now. All right. So click on the link in the description, sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.